Alright guys, so let's say recently you switched from an Apple device to an Android device, or vice versa, you switched from an Android device to an Apple device, but you found yourself not being able to transfer all of your data from WhatsApp into your new phone. Now today I partnered up with iToolab and I'm going to get you guys a fix to that problem. So I'm going to be able to show you how you can transfer all your data from WhatsApp to an Android or to an iPhone, depending what you're coming from. So if you have an iPhone, you can go to Android, from an Android to an iPhone. It's a really simple setup, a really simple process. Also guys, before we jump into the setup, I want to say this is fully compatible with the brand new iPhone 15 lineup. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from an old iPhone to an Android, but if ever you wanted to switch from an older iPhone to the brand new iPhone 15s, you can do so. It is fully compatible, so stick around for the setup. It's the same process, it's just you can use different phones. For example, say I just picked up the Google Pixel 8 Pro and I wanted to switch all my data from my iPhone 13 Pro. I'm going to show you guys can do that really simple. You need one cable for each phone. You need the laptop and to download the specific software for today. So if you take a closer look here on my desktop, I'm going to be able to show you the whole process. It's very simple. You just need to go to the website. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below so you guys can follow through as I do it. Now, once you're on the website, there's going to be multiple options. It's going to be multiple softwares you can download in order to get some other things done. What we're going to do, we're going to download specifically the one right here. It's called What's Go. This is the one we need. It is compatible with the latest iOS and it is also compatible with the latest Android software. So what we're going to be able to do is we're going to click the download here. All right, so they'll give you a message on the application on the website. They're going to say, hey, thank you for downloading WhatsApp Go. You can close that really quickly. You can back out of your Safari page and you are left with the application here on your desktop. Now, what you'll notice is that it's a very simple application. It's very self-explanatory. There's nothing crazy about it. It's very easy for anybody to pick up. As you'll see here on the side, it says WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, and GP WhatsApp app. What you're going to do is simply here, you're going to look at, it's going to allow you to transfer the data as I said before. So you have WhatsApp app backup, restore WhatsApp backup to the computer and free up space on your device, which is great. WhatsApp restore preview, WhatsApp backup data and restore to your device. And you can also restore from a Google Drive if ever you've saved some of your WhatsApp information on a Google Drive. You can also get access to that by logging in into your Google account. Okay, so before you jump into the WhatsApp backup, you're going to need to connect your devices. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use this little adapter and I'm going to connect it to my MacBook Pro. I do have ports on this specific MacBook Pro, but I also don't have all of the ports in the world. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to connect my iPhone since I have all of my WhatsApp information from my iPhone. And I'm going to plug that. I'm going to transfer it to my new Google Pixel. So I'm going to take my old iPhone cable. This one is insanely busted. It is horrible, but I'm going to unlock my iPhone really quickly here and I'm going to plug it in. And now it's going to connect to the computer. What we're going to do is we're going to wait a little bit. I'm also going to plug my Google Pixel 8 at the same time. And this one, I'm not going to need the adapter since I have a USB-C here on the computer, and I'm going to plug in the Google Pixel 8 Pro at the same time. I'm going to unlock this really quickly. So on the WhatsApp transfer here, it's going to show you have WhatsApp backup, WhatsApp restore, and restore from Google Drive. You can use any of these ones if you so wish to, but the main feature of today's video is going to be really just transferring. So you're going to start on transfer and it's going to show you. So here it's going to say source iPhone 13 Pro and then destination Pixel 8 Pro. This is exactly what you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on transfer. Now, as you'll see here, it's going to show you some simple steps. If the application recognizes that your phone has some settings that have not been yet configured in order for the transfer to happen successfully, it's going to show you how to do it. So if ever you are rocking maybe a Samsung, a Pixel 8, it's going to give you all the steps. So fear not. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go through all of these steps in order for the process to go smoothly. Boom, now you're ready to go. So all the settings have been fully configured. You want to allow that. And when you're going to do the click here, the start, you can back up WhatsApp data on Pixel 8 Pro onto the computer. So now we're going to click continue and it's going to show you pretty much all the options. Obviously, text message is selected by default. It's the main thing that will be transferred. Everything else is pretty much customizable and configurable depending on what's your preference. So for this one, we're not going to be selecting stickers and I'm also not going to be sticking animated GIFs as I don't really need that. Video, audio, documents, voice notes, and images sounds about right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click continue and now the data transfer is happening. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Okay guys, so it's been roughly 2 minutes or so and the percentage has gone up a little bit. It is a little slow, so depending on how much storage, how much data, how many messages, videos, audio files you have saved up on WhatsApp, this process can take a little bit longer. But the good thing about this specific application is that it's super easy. You plug both of your devices, click the transfer button, and that's basically it. There's only a few steps here and there. As you guys saw with the Pixel 8, there was that developer setting, but it shows you how to do it from step A all the way to step Z, which is really easy, super convenient. Okay, so I let the transfer download and it took a couple of minutes. It's been roughly, I've been thinking about now, it's 4:49, so it's been roughly 5 to 10 minutes. Once the download is complete, you'll see here on the WhatsApp transfer data, if I put this little window to the side, backup WhatsApp data on the source device, check, that's done. Generate data that can be restored, that's also been completed. That one's pretty fast. Here it's going to ask you for your phone number, so you're just going to put the phone number in from your specific device. If you take a closer look here on screen, it says transfer WhatsApp app successfully. So now it has officially uninstalled WhatsApp from the Pixel 8 Pro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back on the Play Store and it's asking us to re-download it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to re-download it. Okay, so once you have followed all the steps and you are ready to transfer all your data on your new phone, so for the purpose of this video, it's going to be the Google Pixel 8 Pro. It's going to show you here, it's going to say restore your chats. So restore your messages and media from your phone's internal storage. And this is a restored backup that says 20 minutes ago and it showed. So what I'm going to do, so that was the setup. It was pretty simple. It registered the backup found with WhatsApp Go. Now, since everything was pre-downloaded and pre-registered on the actual application on the computer, on the phone, it was really simple, super fast. It took a couple seconds. I found it, clicked on it, and now you have an option for Google Drive backup. You can do that. I'm going to select monthly and you can select your account. I'm going to put it on my Google account. And what I'm going to do is this actually, you're just going to click allow really quickly. So it's going to back up all of your stuff on the Google Drive. And as you guys will see here on the computer, I'm going to go back really quickly. So if we go back, there's an option here, restore from WhatsApp from Google Drive. With this app option enabled, every single month, if you ever, it's going to store all your settings. So for example, in a couple of months time, maybe like in a year or two, you change phones again, you find a new phone that you really like, you're going to be able to restore all of your WhatsApp information. But this time around, you won't necessarily be needing your other phone. You can also do it just directly with this application with Google Drive. So that's really convenient. So as you guys will see here, if you take a close look, it'll show all of my WhatsApp chats. So as you guys will see, this is all of my information. It has pretty much every single thing that I've had on my old WhatsApp. And as I said, the setup is relatively simple. Now what you can do is you can unplug your Pixel 8 and you're ready to go. And you can also unplug your iPhone. Before I wrap up this video, thank you once again, WhatsApp Go and i2Lab for sponsoring the video. If you guys are ever interested in picking up this software to transfer all of your data from WhatsApp from an old phone to a new phone, you guys can go ahead and do so. Click the link in the description down below. I've left you guys a click there, super easy, and you guys can snag yourself 40% off this application. It's already not that expensive. It's very affordable for most people, and you guys have multiple options. You can do a one-time purchase, you can do a monthly payment, but you can also save 40% off, which is it's pretty much close to half off on any single one of those bundles that you decide to get. So go ahead, link in the description down below. Take advantage of it while you can. Do let me know if you end up picking this app, and let me know if it actually helps you transfer your WhatsApp data. I know it helped me. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe, follow for more, and I will see you guys on the next video. With that being said, I wish you the best of luck in everything you do, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care, deuces.